Everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a very random haul slash product review for just a few things that I've gotten in PR over the last few months, a few things that I have bought. I recently filmed a Sephora and Ulta haul video from the Sephora VIB sale and the Ulta 20% off sale that is going to go up probably after this. So expect that here in the next week or two. But today I wanted to quickly film a video reviewing just a couple of products that I've really been enjoying and a couple of things that I got in a haul with you because I forgot to share them in that video. So I just thought I'd make another one. So here we go. The first thing that I wanted to share with you is something that I got in PR through Octoly. Wow, Color Wow was nice enough to send me this Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, and it says it magically transforms texture. It's got amazing humidity proofing powers. So what you do is you put this on your wet hair after you have shampooed, conditioned, and dried your hair with just a towel. So it's got to be damp. You put this on damp hair, but it's specifically for hair that you are going to blow dry. So what I did is I put this on my hair and I blow dried my head, and my hair came out really, really silky and smooth and looking really, really beautiful. The one thing that I did not pay close enough attention to when I asked Octoly and Color Wow to send me this product was that it is really only for blow-dried hair. It doesn't say anything about flat-ironed hair. It specifically refers to blow-drying your hair, which activates it, and it lasts for 3 washes after you use it once, which I thought was a really, really interesting quality of this product. But for me, I don't know why, I'm just not the most talented person with hair drying, like rolling my hair with a roller brush and a hair dryer. And my hair just does not come out looking that good when I blow dry it with a round brush compared to when I straighten it with a flat iron. So although I really liked the way that it looked when I did blow dry my hair out in terms of the texture and silkiness and smoothness of my hair, I just don't think that I'm going to use it very often because I don't blow dry my hair ever. What I do is I get out of the shower, I towel dry my hair, I blow dry it with my hands so it's like out to here, and then I section it off and I flat iron it with a comb. So, you know, I don't know that this would work specifically with a flat iron, like I said, but it says in like bold print on the back of the bottle, requires blow drying to activate. For best results, apply every 3rd shampoo. If you are a hair dryer, like a person that blow dries your hair, you should try this. It's awesome. It makes your hair silky and smooth, and it did not detract from body at all. And in fact, I feel like, I don't know if it was a result of blow drying my hair or the product, but I felt that my hair had a little bit more body. Maybe it was a combination of both things. And it lasts for 3 shampoos, so I think that that's a really nice quality. So if you're a person like me that straightens your hair, you may try the other Color Wow product, which I will insert a picture of that right here because I didn't bring it out of my bathroom to show you. That may be a better product if you were looking for something really nice to straighten your hair and have it look silky and smooth and kind of anti-humectancy in, you know, warding off the humidity spirits. So that's a really long review, but I did want to go into a little bit of detail so you knew what my thoughts were of this product. The next thing that I wanted to share with you was this box that came to me in the mail for free. And I wanted to share it with you because some of you may want free products. And so I wanted to tell you how you can get free products to try and show you some of the products that I got in my box. This service is called pinchme. It's called a pinchme box. This is the card that came with the pinchme box. And basically what a pinchme box is all you do is you get online. If you want to receive free samples or free full-size products from companies, you can become a pincher, it says, by completing your member profile, telling the people at the pinchme website more about yourself. They'll match you with products that are relevant to your lifestyle. The second thing you do is you choose your samples on Sample Tuesday. You choose what you're gonna get in your pinchme box. You do not have to pay for it. And then all they want is for you to review their products. So it says 100% free all the time. It's not your average box. And basically anybody can do this. So if you wanna try free product and that's something, I feel like my camera's a little bit crooked. Is that more straight, you guys? There we go. If you want free product and free samples, this is something that you may want to just try. It doesn't cost you anything and all you have to do is review the product. So I want to show you what I got in my box. I think my box might have been included some full-size products that are for influencers. I don't know necessarily that full-size products come in the boxes for everybody, but maybe they do. You may want to look that up on the website. So the first thing that I got was this Garnier Skin Active with charcoal, and they knew that I had combo to oily skin, which is why they sent this to me. So it's for combo and oily skin, and you can use it either as a mask or a wash, and this is the product. So it's called a 3-in, actually you can wash with it, scrub with it, and mask with it. So it's 3-in-1, wash, scrub, mask. And basically I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand for you. It looks like a charcoal mask. So if you guys have ever tried the like Borghese charcoal mask or the Glam Glow charcoal mask, which is really expensive. The Borghese one is less expensive than the Glam Glow, but the Glam Glow is very pricey. This is a much less expensive alternative. You basically rub it on your face if you've got like acne prone skin. It's got like a teeny weeny bit of a sandy texture to it, and you can let it dry on your face. It'll dry, it'll get hard, and then you wash it off, and it's supposed to like clean out your pores and clarify your skin. And it's got a really nice fresh smell. I really like this product. I like it a lot. And I do use these charcoal products regularly. Like I've been using the Borghese Black Mud for years and years and years, like since I was in medical school. I used the Glam Glow for a little while, but it's way more expensive, so I didn't repurchase it after the first time. So I'll definitely use this. I think it's a great product, and I was really excited to get it. The next product that they sent me in the box was this Sundown Naturals Multi and Daily Immune Support. So this is just a vitamin company, and they're these huge horse pills. Let me show you. Look at the size of this, you guys. That's a big vitamin. And they have kind of a gross smell. To me, they smell like mold. Do any of you know what mold smells like? We get it in San Antonio, and I'm totally allergic to it. I always get a sinus infection or start to get a sinus infection after it rains because of mold, and this smells exactly like mold. However, it doesn't have mold in it, but it does have a lot of other things in it, like biotin, magnesium, zinc, echinacea, elderberry, and astragalus. I don't know what that is. I've never heard of astragalus. But anyway, I've been taking it because like who doesn't want immune support? Do they really work? I don't know. Vitamins are not FDA approved. There is a separate vitamin kind of FDA equivalent that looks at certain brands. So when you're buying your vitamins, you can look to see if they are approved by this separate organization that like evaluates the quality of vitamins, and that will at least give you a little bit of good feelings about the vitamins that you are buying. But that's like my little caveat on vitamins real quick. But I did get that in the basket, or the pinch me box. And then I also, this is the most exciting thing I got, the Brashear Physical Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 30 by Drunk Elephant. Ah! That would be a 100-point perk usually at like Sephora if you wanted to try that. I'm embarrassed to say I haven't tried it yet because I was trying to get through another sunscreen that I have, but I actually just finished that bottle this morning, so I will try this tomorrow because I love the Drunk Elephant products. There's nothing I don't love from Drunk Elephant. The next thing I got was this lovely chapstick by Aqua. It's called Aqua Lip Repair. If you guys have ever tried the Nivea Lip Repair, it's in a tube that looks literally exactly the same as this, but it's Nivea, not Aqua. It's also like basically the same product. It makes me wonder if Nivea and Aqua are owned by the same company, but it's an awesome chapstick. I love the Nivea chapstick. In the winter, when my lips are just like parched, during the day I'll put on my Laneige, back up. During the night, I will put on my Laneige mask, and during the day, I will carry around the Nivea, which is the same as this Aqua lip product in my pocket of my scrubs, and I'll just put on my lips. It's a thick chapstick, but it feels so nice. And that Aqua is the same. It is lovely. It has a very, very comfortable consistency. I really, really like it. I also got some chocolates in my box, which I put in my pantry. I got a L'Oreal mud mask that very much resembled this product, which came with like 1 or 2 uses. It was like in a little package that I opened and used. It was just a mud mask that was a charcoal mud mask, just like this, but by L'Oreal. And it came with like a hand lotion that had almond seed oil in it. And I have a son that's allergic to nuts, and I'm always afraid to use the oils. Even though typically oils do not contain nut proteins in them, they're nut protein free, I still get anxious and I don't use them because of my son. So I gave them to Kendall, my next door neighbor. So those are the things that I got in my pinch me box. I just wanted to share that with you because if you guys are interested in getting free things to try, sign up for the pinch me box. It's a really neat service. Next, I wanted to share something that I got in PR like, I don't know, 5 or 6 months ago. And it is this box that you can put nail polishes in. It's like this big acrylic box that's got like a handle. And what you do is you snap the sides, which snap up like this. And then you can open the box on either side. It's got one of these things and you can open it. And it's got two different things that you can hold. It's got all of this area for nail polishes. And then at the very front part near the snaps, there's space to put like toenail separators, tweezers, anything like that. It's a really useful box, and I think it's a really nice, compact way to store your nail polishes. So I really like this. If I can find it again, I will link it for you below. And then lastly, I wanted to talk to you guys about a couple of things that I hauled recently. One of the things I got was just some Redken Extreme Conditioner for after shampooing. This Redken product. I use the Redken products on my hair. I really like them. For years and years, I used the Redken Anti-Snap, which is a really good, it just prevents your hair from getting split ends and it prevents your hair from snapping. That's why it's called Anti-Snap, and you just put it in when your hair is wet. This is kind of in the same family as the Anti-Snap because it's called Extreme Anti-Snap, and this is called Extreme Conditioner. So I just got more of that because I was running out of my Redken conditioner. I also got this, you guys. Emily Noel was talking about this on her channel. How many things have I bought because Emily Noel said to? A lot. A very lot. And this is big. It's like way bigger than I expected it to be. And the packaging is like, it's got like a cotton ball stuck to it. Like if I keep this, I'm gonna yank those things off. Like who needs cotton balls? But anyway, let's look at the actual blushes. It comes with 4 blushes that are beautiful. Right now, I'm having a moment with shimmery blushes, anything shimmery for my cheeks. Like I just want my cheeks to shimmer because it's the summer and I'm feeling glowy and summery and I just want to like beam. And so this really caught my attention when Emily Noel said that they were like beautiful, and the colors just spoke to me. Like how perfect are these colors? They're so good, you guys. So, but then I looked on the back. Look, the cotton ball's falling off, y'all. I'm gonna kind of stick it back on there. Then I looked at the box to see where this was made because I look at where all of my makeup is made. And the reason I do that, if you've been on my channel for any amount of time, is because I typically try not to use products that are made in China. And the reason that I don't use products that are made in China is because the Chinese manufacturing processes are not regulated like American manufacturing processes. Europe is much stricter in the things that are allowed to be put into cosmetics and things that we use on our body. The United States comes second after Europe. They're not quite as strict as Europe. And then places like China, you don't know what's going into your product. And I don't know if you guys remember like the toothpaste scandal in China where they were putting like Freon in toothpaste. And when people in the United States were getting pills that were imported from China that had, I don't even remember, there was something wrong with the pills that were coming from China. And if medicines that are coming from China are not regulated, I can't imagine that makeup is regulated either. So I never know what might be lingering in products that come from China. I know some of you might really dislike that point of view because I understand that a lot of the time products that come from China are more affordable, and they are. They're more affordable. And I can tell you that before I kind of graduated from medical school and was able to afford more expensive products, I used plenty of things from China. I also didn't really know about what I just told you in terms of regulation of what goes into those products. But now that I do, I really try not to use products from China. And this was made in China. It also bothers me that a high-end product that was $38, because that is what this cost, is made in China. Like why, if you are spending $38 on a product, does it need to be made in China? Like why can't they make it in the United States? If you look, you will see that most of the high-end products that you buy on the whole are made in the United States, or many of the eyeliners and lip liners are made in Germany. Many times baked things will be made in Italy. I've just looked at so many things that now I know. But you know, when I'm paying $38 for 4 blushes, I want it to be made in the United States. I don't want to pay $38 for something that's made in China because I can just go to NYX or e.l.f. or what else? LA Girl. A lot of those things are made in China. And if I wanted to get like a shimmery blush, I could get them for like $2 or $3 by e.l.f. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I really, really want it. It looks so, so pretty, and the colors speak to me so, so much that I might keep it anyway and use it and hope that there's not lead in it. But I did want to like tell you that little caveat because, I don't know, I feel like being chit-chatty with you in this video. So the next thing that I bought at Ulta are these hair ties that are called, well, I got the Bobble ones, Invisibobble ones, which are kind of the original brand. And then I got this off-brand called Hair Coils You Need Right Now. And it comes with 4 hair coils. You know, these coils are just, they just look like this, like the old school telephone cords. For those of you who are like younger than 30, you probably don't remember what those look like, but that's what they look like. And the reason that I like them is because they do not dent your hair and they do not rip your hair. And I really, really, really love that quality. I can tell you for sure. I went to the hairdresser this last weekend. I've been using these for about a year. He was like, I've never seen your hair look healthier. You don't have a single split end. You don't have a single broken hair. Like, continue doing whatever you're doing. And I can tell you for sure that when I was using like traditional elastic bands for my hair, I always got tons and tons of breakage underneath here. So I have no breakage underneath there anymore. All of my hair has since grown out, and it's because I've been using these. So I love these, and I wanted to try the off-brand because the Invisibobble are like a teeny bit more expensive. But anyway, I will let you know how the off-brand goes. And then lastly, I went to Sally's today to get another one of my Ardell eyeliners in black that stays in my inner rim because I lost my black one. I don't know where it went. I think I was lining my eyes in the car on the way to work, and it's probably under my car seat. But anyway, I went to go get a replacement, and I saw this little beautiful blush by Paletot, and it is made in Canada. And it's a baked blush, and it's got beautiful shimmer. It's what I'm wearing on my cheeks right now. Look at this. Look how pretty that is, you guys. So pretty. They had one that was slightly more peachy pinky that reminded me very much of Orgasm by NARS, and this one was a little bit darker and pinkier, but it's got this beautiful glow. I think you can pick that up on my cheeks. Look at that. Like, what? How pretty. And it does not, I did not feel like my pores and my fine lines were like really highlighted by this blush. I think it's so pretty. It was $6.99. So I just wanted to share that with you. It was such a good buy, you guys. So I think that's it. Those were a few of the things that I wanted to talk to you about that I recently hauled that I left out of my other haul video. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. If you liked this video or found it entertaining, useful, helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.